Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a little video to show you how I make these sea glass stacker earrings. Obviously some people find it really hard to drill through very small pieces like this teeny tiny piece, and obviously where it's tricky because it's round as well and you have to keep a hold of it in the water. So this video goes out to Gloss Flamingo 9940 who asked the question that they want to see some more jewellery making tutorials. So this is how I do it. This is how it works for me. So let's get started. So I use my Dremel, and I've got a stand for it, which makes it so much easier. I'm obviously using the water, and I'm using a 1mm diamond tip drill bit, which I'll add the link. So I start with it on the lowest setting, lowest speed, and so I take my tiny piece and I hold it into the water. The water has got to cover the piece. Now for these, I try to drill the hole as central as I can, because this is going to go onto a pin rod. So let's start it. Holding it tightly with 2 fingers, I'm lining it up first. Very gently, I just start to make the little cut in it. Pressing a little bit harder, and you can start seeing like the smoke or the cloudiness come out from the glass. Pressing it down gently, lift it up a little bit, down again a bit, and then you shook it off. Yeah, don't get wet. Okay, so I've put too much water in here and I'm getting sprayed, so I'm going to just tip some of this water out. See where you've started with a hole, and then it's just about lining it back up again. Slowly seeing where you are. Yep, still too much water. Hopefully you're able to see. Can you see the hole? Yep, right through the middle. So yeah, it is a little tricky. You just have to take your time and have a little bit of patience, which I don't always have. And then you'll get the perfect, you won't crack the glass. So my general rule is slow and steady. As I say in the, what is it, the tortoise and the hare, slow and steady wins the race. So you don't want to end up, especially if you're drilling through a lovely multi or, you know, piece of glass that's your favourite, the last thing you want to do is crack it. So make sure the piece of glass is covered in water, lowest speed, and 1mm drill bit, diamond coated drill bit, and there. So I'll do another one just to show you again. Let's try this green one. I'll try and put it down on the flat side really. Sometimes when they're round they don't have a flat side, so it's not always going to be the case. Down just till it touches. Got it in the right place. gently first. Start seeing the cloudiness from in the water, from the glass, and down a little bit. Not putting too much pressure on it. Because also I found these drill bits break easy. As I was saying, I found that these drill bits snap quite easily if you've got them too long. So let's turn you around to show you sort of the length that I try to keep it. I try to keep my drill bit, what's that, about an inch at the most out. I normally try and do it a bit lower, but because I'm doing round ones, I put a little bit more. But yeah, what tends to happen is they then break off, and you could end up breaking a piece of your prize glass. So I will move on to the next bit for you. So I've just done 2 at the minute. I'll just quickly do another piece, and then I'll show you how that I put them onto the pins to turn them into earrings, or you can turn them into a pendant, whichever way you prefer. This one is a really teeny tiny. This one's probably about 1 centimetre. But you can still do it. So managed to do a teeny tiny one. Okay, so I'm using these pins, which are stainless steel. I don't know if it's going to focus. They've got like a eye hook end. I'm not sure the length of these. I think they're about about 1.5 inches, these ones. But these are the stainless steel ones I'm using at the moment. I'm going to try the silver ones shortly. For now I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm just thinking of my design this time. I have got these teeny tiny, but these are silver. So just to show you, if I can get one out. Teeny tiny, you probably can't see. They're so small. Silver beads. They've already got the hole in, and the hole dimension should be the same as these are 1 mil thickness on the pins. So they've already got the hole in. Just gonna put that one through. Then I'm gonna put, which one should I put next? Should I try this green one? Let's have a look how this green one looks. I'll put the green. Oh, you can see the colour now. That's really nice. And then I might put do I put another ball? Let's try another ball. This is just for you. Ooh. Teeny tiny. I need to get my eyes tested because it's so small. So I have got 2 on there, and let's just do one more piece of sea glass, this teeny tiny ball on there. Shall I add another ball on the bottom? Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's so small. I struggle to see where the hole is. Okay, like that. Okay, so we got one like that now. You've got your hook at the top there, which you're going to use on your earring hooks. But then you've got this here. Can you see this left over? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it at that bottom ball. I'm gonna take my, I don't know what these pliers are called, I can't remember now. I'll think of it in a minute. I'm gonna put them right on the bottom, right on the bottom of the wire, and gently bend it towards me, and then back around again. So I'm going to kind of make a little spiral on the end. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see that. And I'm going to push that back a bit, because it's now gone out of shape, just to keep it in shape. And do another little twist. Okay, and there. I'm probably going to take that bottom ball off, actually. Don't think it needs it, so let me quickly do that. Bent nose pliers, that's what they're called. Just thought of it. Right, take that ball off. Right, start again. So now I've got kind of a bit of a twisted there. I've got more of the pin left now, so I can do a nice little twirl, pinching it at the end. I'm gonna twist it towards me, twist it again towards me, give it a little pinch around, because I want this to be quite a tight little spiral. And can't get hold of it. There we go, and twist in again. Okay, so now where you've bent the bottom round, twisted it round, you've got a little spiral. Can it focus? I don't think it can. There we go. So now I'm going to get my ear hook. So next you're going to need some jump rings. So I'm actually going to put a silver jump ring on this, because the ear hooks that I like to use, which again the link will be in, 925 silver ear wire hooks. They've already got the loop in their end. So I'm gonna try with a 6mm 18 gauge 925 silver jump ring. Oh, come out wherever you are. Right, these are very tiny. So I'm taking my bent nose pliers. I'm right-handed, so I hold that in my right hand. My other long nose pliers, which support it, and find where because these are open jump rings, obviously. Where is the opening? Pull it towards me. I'm going to place that on the hook and the hook eye that's already on the pin. I am going to connect my ear wire to the other end, and I am going to take hold with my long nose pliers and twist it, trying to pull it together, because you don't want a gap in the jump ring. This I've always found the hardest, especially these teeny tiny ones, to make sure that it's together, but that is together. Ta-da! You have one stacker earring. So I've just done the other one, and now I have a beautiful pair of stacker earrings, which I've used some of the glass that we found on our trip to see them. So this one here has actually got a teeny tiny Oh, stop moving. Multi at the bottom, you can see like it's clear with a brown little dot on it, and the top one also, is it going to focus? It stops moving. It's got different shades of green in it. Oh, stop moving. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one.